Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Science with Miss Faye. On Monday, we were studying about absorbent materials, and I had a lot of excellent videos and work about your experiments. I was very happy. Today, we're going to look at something that is very connected to absorbent materials. Before we do, I would like you to have a look and look at this and get your brain moving, okay? Think about it. Let me go back one. Here are three different types of shoes. Are they different? Why? What materials are they made from? Why did they use different materials? Okay, they're all things that we put on our feet, but I want you to think more about materials. Okay, why are they different? Why do they need to be different? Okay, make me a video, write down your answers, send it to me any way you choose to get your brain going. So today, materials and change. And today we're looking at the opposite of absorbent materials, and we're looking at things that are waterproof. What does waterproof mean? Well, if a material is waterproof, it keeps water out. So when material sucks up water, it is absorbent, but when it's waterproof, it means that it keeps the water out. Why do we need waterproof materials? Well, that's obvious. We don't want to get wet when we're out in the rain. We need raincoats to keep us from getting wet or keep our hair from getting wet. Our boots are rainproof so that we can walk through puddles without getting our socks wet. What materials are waterproof? Well, during our experiments, we saw that some materials were very absorbent, some were a little absorbent, but the ones that don't let any water in at all are waterproof. And that's what we're going to investigate and find out today. Let's have a look at the following materials: tinfoil, cardboard, paper, plastic, tissue, fabric, and rubber. These are all materials that you have in your house. If you don't have them, don't worry. You can use a different material, but just let me know which one it is. There's our tin foil, cardboard, paper, plastic, tissue, fabric, and there's a rubber or an eraser. Do you think these materials will be waterproof or not waterproof? Have a look at them. What do you think? Tinfoil. Now, when we're thinking about materials, I really need you to think about the material and what it's made of. And the first question is, what does it feel like? Does it feel like it might be waterproof? Is it shiny? Is it soft? Is it rough? Is it bumpy? What does it look like? Does it make a sound when you squash it? Can you fold it in half? Do you think it'll be waterproof? What do we use tinfoil for usually? Does it have a waterproof um, like a way to use it that's waterproof in the kitchen or anywhere else? Think about it. Paper. What does it feel like? Again, is it soft? Is it rough? Is it bumpy? What does it look like? Does it make a sound when you squash it? Can you fold it? Do you think it will be waterproof? When do you use paper? What's its uses? Does it have a waterproof usage? Well, with our absorbency experiment, I think we know the answer, but let's try it out. What happens to a material when water is added? Well, that's what we're going to try today. So what I would like you to do is take a cuddly toy, any cuddly toy, your favorite one, or maybe your not so favorite one, and I would like you to put some materials around the cuddly toy. Put them around their shoulders or on their head, wherever you like. And then I would like you to pour some water onto each material using a spoon. So the material will be on your cuddly toy. Put some water onto that material. We want to see if your toy gets wet, or we want to see, our question is the material waterproof? So, does the material let the water soak in, or does it keep the water out? Does your toy get red? Sorry, that's a spelling mistake. Can someone fix it? Okay, does it get wet? That's what we want to find out. So, there's the different materials. Boys and girls, have a go at your experiment. I hope you do well. And please let me know which materials are waterproof and which materials are not. Okay, usually the materials that are absorbent will not be waterproof, but I'd like you to think about it, and let's hope that cuddly toy doesn't have a shower. Let's hope the material is waterproof and keeps him all dry.